don't think Australia was ready for me, because every time I speak to an Aussie, I can see the same reaction in their face. Why does that guy look Asian but sound like Dave from Northern England? Well, you know what, Jim? Unexpected things can come in all kinds of packages, just like this Vietnamese Bo Kho Pie. One of the keys to making the beef stew is using a good stock, and the Massel Beef Style is a no-brainer for me. Made from all natural ingredients, it really gives you that deep, savoury, beefy flavour. It also saves me so much time making my own stock. This dish actually brings back sore memories, because it's what I cooked when I got knocked out the MasterChef quarterfinals. I swear the judges' critique about my raw pastry still gives me nightmares to this day. What they did love though was all the Vietnamese flavours I put into that beef stew. I also put an Asian twist on the mash with some wasabi and spring onions. Anyways, if you want that recipe, comment pie, because just like my girlfriend says, it's much better than the MasterChef version.